Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to another awesome video. Today I'm going to share with you an amazing and wonderful treatment that you can add to your regimen to help with moisture and also to help thicken your hair. So if you're interested, please make sure you keep on watching and watch till the end so you don't miss out on any useful information. This DIY is an amazing deep conditioning treatment for dry, frizzy and damaged hair. It really works on first trial, and after using this your hair will feel silky, soft and look healthy. Did you know that rice makes a great natural hair conditioner? It may sound weird, but its use as a hair product goes way back in time. Now, before we get into this video, I especially want to appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to my content, and also if you're just seeing my video for the first time, hello darling, my name is Tina. I'm into hair growth DIYs, beauty tips, fertility treatment and lots more, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, join the family so you can get all the useful and quality information I share on this channel. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up because it's going to be packed with useful information. Thank you. So the ingredients needed for this recipe is our white rice. Rice contains so many vitamins and minerals that helps to detangle the hair, makes hair smoother, increases shine and also helps hair grow long. Another ingredient is our aloe vera. Aloe vera, we all know the benefits of aloe vera on hair. Using aloe vera for hair growth point to its plentiful supply of vitamins and minerals and other ingredients that leads to hair growth. Now let's begin with the procedure. Add 1 cup of white rice in a glass bowl. I'm using lukewarm water to rinse, and I'm going to rinse for about 2 to 3 times. After that, I transferred it into my cooking pot. I added about 1.5 glasses of water, then I cook. I'm going to cook it for 20 minutes. Rice can help you achieve serious growth, shine and silkiness. Thanks to the nutrient-rich ingredients, rice deep conditioner is a great way to utilize the nutrients within rice and apply these benefits on your hair care routine. Rice comes in many different types and across the spectrum has nutrients that range from vitamins B, C, potassium, magnesium, amino acids and more. Amino acids are helpful for hair growth as they are the building blocks of the protein that makes hair. If you are new to using protein or unsure if your hair can benefit from a protein treatment, most often color treated, relaxed, heat styled and natural hair needs a protein boost because rice is believed to make hair shinier and stronger, along with helping to keep tangles at a minimum. This is a great remedy for fine dull hair. This simple treatment is good for all hair types as it works with the natural composition of the hair. Now let's go ahead and cook our rice and wait after 20 minutes. In the meantime, I went ahead to extract my aloe vera gel, which I soaked the leaves on water for 30 minutes so as to remove the yellow latex. Then I split it into 3. I removed the aloe vera gel and then I transferred it into the blender. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C and E. All these 3 vitamins contribute to the cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. If you want to extract more gel, then add a little water for easy blending. I'm going to blend it for 5 minutes. After blending, I'm going to strain it out because I don't want any residue to stuck on my hair. You may have used aloe vera to soothe sunburns, but did you know that it also have benefits for your hair? Here's what to know about aloe vera on hair. It can strengthen your hair and help you manage an itchy scalp or greasy strands. Here are some of the benefits of aloe vera on hair. It strengthens hair. Aloe vera has so many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids and also rich in vitamins A, B12, C and E. These play a part in healthy hair follicles. It controls greasy hair. Aloe vera has an enzyme that breaks down fat and so strips your hair of any extra oil. Helps an itchy scalp. Protection from UV damage. A study found out that fresh aloe vera juice offers protection from ultraviolet radiation that comes from the sun. UV exposure can cause your hair to lose its shine and color and make it rough and less elastic, leading to breakage. Aloe vera contains aloe, a chemical compound in the plant which is the primary factor that promotes hair growth. People with alopecia hair condition, it has been used to improve hair health and lessen breakage, which contributes to hair growth. Please note, fresh aloe vera gel doesn't last very long, but you can store it in a sealed container in the fridge for up to a week, or you can freeze it. Aloe vera reverses hygral fatigue. Although hair needs moisture to stay healthy, excess moisture can actually do more harm than good. After straining, this is how the gel looks like. It's about 20 minutes and the rice is really cooked and soft. I allowed the rice to cool down for a few minutes, then went ahead and blend it. Add little water to it for easy blending. I'm going to blend the rice for 15 to 20 minutes because I need the rice to be really smooth. After 20 minutes, this is how it looks like. After blending, I strain the rice to get the creamy consistency that I want. Rice dip conditioner have so many benefits on hair. 1. It helps in straightening the roots of the hair. It helps in balancing the pH level of the scalp and nourishing hair follicles. Rice also boosts hair growth, shine, makes hair thicker and fights off dandruff. 2. It makes hair stronger. Just as protein is an essential part of maintaining a balanced diet, it also plays an important role in keeping your hair healthy. The protein in rice is believed to help improve the overall condition of hair. So after straining the rice, this is the quantity I got. So thick and creamy in consistency. Then I went ahead and transferred it into a bigger bowl so it will be easy for me to mix with other ingredients I'll be using in this video. Then I went ahead and add the fresh aloe vera juice which I extracted from my aloe vera leaves earlier. Then I added 1 teaspoon of cantu leave-in conditioner, but you can add any conditioner of your choice. Then I added 2 teaspoons of my DIY coconut oil, but you can substitute coconut oil with any oil of your choice, carrot oil, almond oil, any oil of your choice. Then I mix everything with my electric mixer. You can mix with hand mixer or any mixer you have. Rice and aloe vera, when combined as a deep conditioning treatment, is one of the most powerful and effective treatment to get smooth, shiny, silky and a healthy hair growth in just a week of using it, or highest 2 weeks of using it. If you're still watching to this very stage, I say a very big thank you. I really do appreciate your love and support. Your girl is grateful. And if today is your first time coming across to my channel, thank you for clicking on this video. Please kindly support by subscribing, like, share, comment. In fact, I love reading and attending to questions. You can leave any in the comment section. Thank you. Now let's go ahead and apply it. For the application, I first divided my hair into sections so it will be easy for me to apply all over my hair. Then I lose the twist which I did earlier so my hair will not tangle. After that, I used my rice water to detangle and moisture my hair first before applying the deep conditioner on each of the hair. I made sure I applied it from the scalp to the end and to the strands of my hair. I massaged for about 5 minutes, then I left it on my hair for 1 hour before I washed it out. This aloe vera and rice dip conditioner contains essential amino acids, vitamin B, E, minerals, plant steroids, fatty acids, and antioxidants. It also contains a carbohydrate that helps strengthen elasticity and reduce surface friction. It provides mega repair to damage done either by chemical or harsh weather. The perfect blend for extensively aloe vera, rice, coconut oil, and cantu leave-in conditioner blends combine to make your hair healthy and give you maximum growth. It pops out your natural coils and leaves your hair feeling alive. It benefits It repairs dry damaged hair, adds shine, smooths and controls frizz, seals and protects hair color. It detangles, it prevents split ends, it stops hair breakage, it creates silkiness, enhances natural body, flat iron and thermal protection. It moisturizes and conditions your hair to promote elasticity and prevent breakage. It makes the hair soft, shiny and frizz free. It contains vitamins A, C, E, B12 and amino acid, and this contributes to hair regrowth, prevents hair falling out and promotes shiny hair. If you're still watching to this very stage, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.